Thanks to Noria Ro for introducing our channel in your video. This channel introduces car culture to people overseas from a Japanese point of view. If you like JDMs, please subscribe to our channel.
Hello, this is Convey FD channel.
Today we came to Haruna Rotary meeting. As you can see, there are many RX-7, RX-8, and many rotary engine cars.
This Haruna Rotary meeting is held by G's Garage, a store and cafe at the foot of Mount Haruna. If you like Initial D, you might want to visit there. Ama-san, or Mr. Amemiya, Ari Amemiya, who is the most famous person for rotary engine, came to the meeting as a special guest. The masters of rotary and also many FDs around Japan gather here, so it's quite a big event for FD fans. The first one is an FD3's convertible. The aero is Amamiya's spec, but the roof has been removed. Stardust Factory built this car, and by the way, my previous car was also manufactured at the same store. Next is Ari Amemiya's demo car. It is a replica of the car displayed at the Auto Salon this year. Because this car is used for drifting competition, it is in the sponsor's color and livery. Look at the paint of this car. Large amount of glitter has been sprayed on it, so the entire body of the car is sparkling. And this car in the light blue is the image color of Amamiya. This car was originally Ari Amemiya's demo car. 3-rotor NA engine with not so much power, but the sound is just great and the response is great. This RX-8 is powered by a Toyota inline 6-cylinder 1JZ engine, which is good for over 450 horsepower. This FD has an engine compartment that is just too beautiful. The car is also too fluorescent to stand out. There was also a car with a burly aero. It's a FD with beautiful smooth curve. Now let's go to the engine sounds of Mad Mike's 4-rotor turbo change car, 4-rotor NA car, and 6-rotor car. Mad Mike's car gets to 1000 horsepower. Now listen up. The response is too good and you can hear the intake noise. Let's have a look at Mike's drifting with this car at Formula Drift.
このマドマルテンと毎回のその走りですがどうでしょう。飛び出してくる。うわーこれだかっこいいぞ。そしてバッキンカーは十分。さあインスリッパー取れるのかどうだ。そしてフィニッシュライン手前のゾーンもしっかりとかっこいい。
This car is being built for a drag race. It looks like it was just recently built with a 4-rotor peripheral port engine. And they said that they are going to sell it. It is 20 million Japanese yen, so it's in US dollars. It will be $140,000. Next car is Cosmo with 6 rotors. This is the only 6-rotor car in Japan. It was so powerful that I thought my air jumps would be broken. The person behind me was in tears because of the exhaust. Although it is too much power to measure precisely, it seems to be able to produce about 1,000 horsepower.